Running on Android 14 tvOS, the Tanix TX5 provides a seamless, user-friendly interface with access to the full Google Play ecosystem, including streaming platforms, games, and productivity tools. The device supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that users always receive the latest features and security patches without hassle. Equipped with a Mali G31 MP2 GPU, the TX5 supports 4K Ultra HD resolution with HDR10+, delivering crisp detail, vibrant colors, and enhanced contrast. For gaming and immersive media, its 3D display capabilities ensure smooth graphics and lifelike visuals. The AV1 video decoding technology improves bandwidth efficiency by up to 50%, compressing video sizes more effectively than H.265. Perfect for high-resolution streaming, even on limited network speeds.